AnimationStudio is a unique explainer video maker which allows you to generate animated videos in a few simple clicks. Moreover, you can choose an available template from its library in any niche that you want. The best part about AnimationStudio is that you can utilize the ready-made professional voiceovers. You can also record your own voiceovers. What sets this application apart from other competitors is that it pairs up with a training course. Therefore, there is no need to worry about being left in the dark. The producer will guide you through everything that you need to know in order to set up AnimationStudio. AnimationStudio Review, Features and Benefits. Here are some general features of AnimationStudio. More than 40 ready-made animated explainer video templates. Open canvas that allows you to generate customized animated videos. One-click translation. Videos in any language. Flexible video editor. Audio recorder and uploads. Commercial license included. Inbuilt collection of animations and explainer video assets. AnimationStudio Review. Who should buy it? Video makers who want to include videos within their promotional campaigns should take this tool into consideration. Specifically, you can select more than 50 video templates in any niche. As a result, you can end up creating mind-blowing explainer videos in a few minutes. Every single template in the application comes along with a recorded voiceover. Therefore, you can choose to your own audio or use the available one. Moreover, all of the templates are fully customizable, allowing you to modify and edit them to fit your taste. AnimationStudio enables subscribers to utilize video assets, characters, backgrounds, and so on. You can also add music, watermarks, animations, images, and text to your videos. There is also no restriction on the number of videos that you create. Pros and cons. Pros. Fully compatible with all niche markets. Do not require any prior experience in coding. Online support is available 24/7. A private Facebook group is created for fellow AnimationStudio users in order to discuss relevant issues. Cons. You have to buy OTO1 to unlock all explainer video templates inside.